Do you think starting a business requires thousands of dollars? Not anymore. In 2025, thanks to technology and online platforms, you can actually start a business with little to no money. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful business ideas you can start with $0 plus. I'll explain how to turn them into real income. Stay until the end for a bonus tip that can help you grow faster. Idea 1: Freelancing services. First on the list is freelancing. If you have a skill writing, design, video editing, social media management, or even voiceover work, you can start today without any investment. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn make it easy to connect with clients worldwide. All you need is your skill and consistency. Many freelancers have turned part-time gigs into full-time businesses. Idea 2: Print on demand and merch. Second, print on demand. You don't need money for stock or equipment. Platforms like Teespring or Redbubble allow you to design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. When someone buys, the platform prints and ships the product for you, and you keep the profit. All it takes is creativity and free design tools like Canva to get started. Idea 3: Content creation. Third is content creation. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram pay creators through ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. The only investment needed is your time and creativity. If you have knowledge, entertainment skills, or even a unique perspective, you can grow an audience and turn it into a business. In 2025, personal brands are just as valuable as traditional businesses. Idea 4: Affiliate marketing. Fourth is affiliate marketing. This is promoting products online and earning a commission every time someone buys through your link. You can join affiliate programs for free Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or even individual company programs. Share product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations through social media, blogs, or YouTube, and you can start earning without ever handling inventory. Idea 5: Digital services. Fifth is digital services like virtual assistants, online tutoring, or social media consulting. Businesses are moving online faster than ever, and they need people to manage tasks, teach skills, or run ads. You can start by offering your services to small businesses or busy entrepreneurs. The best part? You don't need money, just your time and skills. Bonus idea: dropshipping. As a bonus, there's dropshipping. It's when you set up an online store, but instead of keeping products, your supplier ships directly to your customer. You don't need to buy inventory up front. With platforms like Shopify and suppliers like AliExpress, you can build a store and start selling with minimal risk. Recap and call to action. So, let's recap. The top business ideas you can start with $0 in 2025 are freelancing, print on demand, content creation, affiliate marketing, and digital services with dropshipping as a bonus. The truth is, money is no longer the biggest barrier to starting a business. What you really need is creativity, consistency, and commitment. Which of these ideas excites you the most? Comment below and let me know. And if you want more tips on business and finance, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more content.